I make a lot of different things. There isn't really one particular thing that I tend to focus on, or even one particular craft technique that I focus on. I'll try my hand at pretty much anything. So that's everything from paper craft and sewing, and of course knitting, all the way through to the likes of woodwork, leather craft, even pottery I've tried my hand at before. For me, the joy is just in taking something and making something from nothing. The actual medium and the craft is almost secondary to that. In terms of the actual things that I make, the actual items, that can again vary massively. I do make a lot for my home, things like cushion covers, shelves that I've made, various bits and bobs around the house, but also clothes, so knitting my own scarves, sewing my own t-shirts, and of course gifts and cards for friends and family. So if there's an opportunity to make something, then you can pretty much guarantee that I'm going to be there trying it. Even if it's a new craft technique that I have never done before, I will try my hand.